As the modern economy accelerates its race to data-driven digitalization, we help your employees gear up for lifelong learning so they can stay informed, inspired, and invaluable. At SYSPRO, we understand that each company is unique, and every employee needs to learn specific skills at their own pace, in their own time and place. We have the most comprehensive learning resources available, online, on-premise, and on demand, as and when your employees are available to learn. The full suite of our SYSPRO LearnIt resources are available online via an annual SLC subscription. We also offer a modular pay-as-you-go option, providing access to those courses that you believe will best serve your employees' development. In addition, SYSPRO Labs allows employees to learn in a virtual environment without impacting on your business operations. Offering exceptional courses and programs designed for the individual needs of general and specialist employees, SYSPRO LearnIt can help increase the value of any employee's contributions across a range of enterprise resource management areas. Future-focused manufacturers and distributors across sectors have already benefited from the measurable impact of SYSPRO LearnIt in their organizational development. With SYSPRO LearnIt, the choice is yours. Your SYSPRO SLC subscription offers full service access to the entire suite of courses. Your pay-as-you-go option gives you control of learning modules you can tailor to the evolving needs of your employees. This includes microlearning for quick, on-demand learning at the time of need, both in teams or for individuals, in the active business environment, or via SYSPRO Labs. Here, employees can benefit from induction, upskilling, microlearning, or general development modules in a secure, virtual workplace without interrupting real work productivity. With the ongoing acceleration of digital transformation, there's never been a better time to empower your people with data-driven insights from SYSPRO LearnIt. The bottom line is simple. To empower your people to navigate a more productive future, you should partner with SYSPRO LearnIt today. SYSPRO LearnIt, unleashing the potential of your ERP investment.